Hello, and welcome to our instructional guide on how to use a stimp meter. A stimp meter is a metal ramp with a notch at the top that is used to measure green speed. First, start by finding a somewhat flat spot on your green where you will be rolling the ball, and be sure to leave a mark at the bottom of the stimp that we shall call mark A. Place the ball in the notch and slowly lift until it starts to roll down. Repeat this process 2 more times, then document the middle of the 3 balls that we will call mark B. Using this tool on all of your greens is an effective way to determine the consistency between holes, allowing golfers to have a better chance of improving throughout their round. From mark B, roll 3 balls towards your starting position and label the middle of those 3 as mark C. It is important to test from both directions as our greens are never perfectly flat. As you can see, our turf is very long, so after firing the superintendent and the employee that forgot to turn the rails on for 11 days in a row, we will then measure the distance between mark A and B, which was 47.5 inches, and the distance between mark B and C, which was 48 inches. After adding those two together, we will then divide that by 2 to get our average, which is 47.75 inches. And divide that by 12 inches, giving us our final stimp reading of 3.9. Now you are ready to use a stimp meter to make sure your greens are the same speed for your golfers. Just don't forget to turn your reels on.